Buying another truck can seem like a golden opportunity to boost your revenue, but it can just as easily sink your cash flow if you're not careful. One crucial aspect that many carriers overlook is the insurance costs. Adding a truck isn't just a simple purchase. It raises your auto liability and cargo premiums and could even increase your deductibles. It's imperative to get a quote before making that investment. Next, consider driver costs. Expenses for wages, payroll taxes, workers' compensation, drug testing, and training can add up quickly. Remember, budgeting goes beyond just the driver's pay. And let's not forget about cash flow. With new trucks, your fuel, repairs, and insurance costs can double right away. But remember, brokers typically pay you in 30 days. It's wise to keep 45 to 60 days of operating cash on hand. Moreover, more trucks mean more compliance, additional driver files, drug tests, vehicle inspections, and an increase in paperwork. Finally, don't overlook maintenance. Preventive services, tires, breakdowns, and downtime can escalate costs. So, when you think about getting that second truck, remember it's more than just acquiring equipment. It's a significant business upgrade. Plan wisely before you grow.